Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a macaron keychain. First, gather your materials. You'll need polymer clay in your favorite colors, a small rolling pin, and a craft knife for shaping. Don't forget the hardware: eye pins, jump rings, and a keychain ring. Having everything ready before you start makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. This easy method will have you creating adorable keychains in no time. Now let's shape the macaron shells. Take a small piece of clay and roll it into a smooth ball, then flatten it into a circle about 1/4 of an inch thick. Make 2 of these for each macaron. Next, use a needle tool or a craft knife to gently create a ruffled, foot texture around the edge of each circle. Finally, roll a very thin disc of a contrasting color for your filling. With your shells and filling ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully place the thin filling disc between 2 ruffled shells and gently press them together. Be sure not to flatten the ruffles too much. Next, take an eye pin and insert the straight end into the top center of your assembled macaron, leaving the loop exposed. Finally, bake your clay pieces following the specific temperature and time instructions on your polymer clay package. After your macaron has cooled completely, it's time for the final touches. Open a jump ring and thread it through the loop of the eye pin you inserted earlier. Then, attach the other end of the jump ring to your chosen keychain ring. Close the jump ring securely. Your adorable macaron keychain is now complete. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.